Here's another question that's trying to get you used to typing in interval notation, something that you'll do a lot in this website. And we have a question that says to enter the interval equivalent to the values x, where x is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 5, or x is greater than 7. So in order to express that as an interval notation set, let's change that over first, and then we'll type in the answer in a second. So that would look like a parentheses around 2 because it's just x greater than, and then all the values from 2 up to 5, but we're including the 5, so I'll put a bracket there. And then we also have the range from any value of x that's bigger than 7. So that would start with 7, but not include it, and go off to infinity. Then we need to join these two sets together, and students will often try and put like a comma in between two sets to join them, but that doesn't join them. That just gives you two different sets. To join them together, you have to use the union symbol. Now, in order to type this in order to get the correct answer, what we have to do is know where to find union and infinity on the keyboard. Luckily, the site makes this relatively easy to do. So what I'm going to do is uh, notice first that the box here, when you click on it, you get a bunch of different things available. First, you get some little hints as to what the type of answer is expected. So it's expecting an interval notation answer. There's also a little down arrow that shows up, and if you click on it, it gives you the different things that are important to typing in answers for intervals. So the site gives you a lot of stuff. To do this straight from the keyboard, we would do a parentheses, that's on the keyboard, then 2, comma 5, and then a closing bracket. And then for the union, what we do is we use a capital U for that. That's perfectly fine. Or if you were unsure what to use for union, then click this down arrow and hit the U. It'll bring it up for you. And then any value bigger than 7, so we would have parentheses 7, and then go to positive infinity, and you get that just by typing 2 lowercase o's. Or if you forget, click the down arrow and hit the positive infinity key. Either way, it'll be just fine and you'll get the correct answer.